Hey guys, Motorcar Nut here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the brake bulb, the rear brake bulb, 2016 Ford Escape. I'll put the models in the description and the years. All right, this one is out, and I'm going to just show you how to replace it so you don't get a ticket. First thing you do is open the hatch. Okay, first thing you do is open the car, then open the hatch. All right. Now, over here, we have two little trim covers, one here and one here. That's these right here. You just get a little pick like this, and you put the pick in there nice, and you just pop it out. And it's going to expose 8mm, two 8mm nut screws. I already took them out. One was here and one was here. Okay, these are the little caps. And now what you're going to do with this is, over here it's got like a little ridge. You know, you just want to give it a tap that way, because it's got to slide out of a little clip over here. If not, what you can do is get a screwdriver, just be careful, and just put it right here and hold it like something like this. Like this, and you hold it while you push it out. Okay, it'll come out. And she just slides right out. It's just a little hard to do one hand, but it comes right out. Now, you may say, oh, the light is on. It does. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. The bulb is burnt. I'm going to show you. All right, and you just slide it like that. You see how this little, you see this? This little thing slides into the little fastener right there. And the bulb you want is the top one right here. Like I said, it's still on, but let me show you. And what you do is you just pull it right out. Let me see if I can pull it out. Okay. But look how bad it is. All right, sometimes it'll work, sometimes not, because it's basically on its way out. So don't play with it. The brake light doesn't work. The tail light does. That's why there's two of them. And make sure you get the proper one. I believe this is a 3157. They have 3156. That's only a single filament. If you notice, this one has tail light and brake light. All right, so this is a 31 right there. See, it says 3157. LL, it just means long life. This is probably a Phillips. Is this a Phillips? Yeah, this is a Phillips. But you can get any brand as long as it's 3157. And all you do is you put, I didn't get the other bulb yet. You just put it right in. It just goes right in. You see this? It just sticks right in. And then you just put it right back in. All right. And you twist it. See this little rubber seal? Just twist it so it's nice and tight. And then what you do is you just line it right back up and just slide it back in. You slide it back in. I'm not going to do it because I don't got the new bulb, but you got the idea. All right, don't scratch the paint or nothing like that. You slide it back in. You put your 8mm, you put your little trim pieces on, and you're done. You won't get a ticket. Easy peasy. All right, guys. Motorcar Nut, please subscribe. Hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.